Hello, today I will be discussing about the phonics program step-by-step instruction, as in how you should teach your child phonics or introduce phonics to your child from the very beginning. So when you are introducing phonics to your children, you should know all these things, okay? And there is a certain step-by-step method in which you should introduce phonics to your child. Before introducing it to your child, you must know the terminologies which are used in phonics. There are certain terms which are used in phonics, and as a educator, you have to understand the meaning of those terms before introducing phonics to your child. Coming to the next step, that is the alphabet and their sound. The alphabet and the sound is introduced to the child when the child is about 2.5 years of age. Okay, so when your child is 2.5 years of age, you can start off with the alphabet, and then gradually, after you have made it clear in their mind the alphabet, then you can go to the alphabet sound. Now here also we have to make sure that in alphabet, what type of alphabet are we introducing to the child now. So in alphabet, you have to make sure that you have to introduce the capital and the small letters together to the child when your child is just learning the alphabet for the first time. And you should introduce the alphabet, that is the capital letters, to the child only when the child is writing. Okay, so when your child is writing, he should be introduced to the capital letters first and then the small letters. But when you are introducing it in terms of reading, do it together. After you have done this, that is the alphabet recognition, then comes the sound of the alphabet. Then you have to introduce your child to the alphabet sounds. This is a very important part. You have to make sure that your child knows it very well before moving on to the next part, that is blends and the word family. So what are blends? Blends are basically blending two letters together. Okay, so here we have many types of blends, from which the most popular ones are the CV and the VC blends, which is the most important blends. And then comes the word family, that is the CVC words. Okay, like hat, cat, mat, pot, rot, etc. And before starting with this, you have to make sure that your child knows all the blends very nicely. Okay, like b, a, ba, k, a, ka, d, a, da. In the case of consonant vowel blend, where the consonant is coming first and the vowel is coming in the second one. In the VC blend, that is vowel first and then the consonant, that is ab, ab, ak, ak, etc. Now under this blend, when your child has done this, you can start with the word families, that is at families, then your other families like ought, ag, an, etc. There are many. You can do it like that. And when you are doing this with your child, at this stage you should introduce the sight words also to the child. Okay, so you will be introducing the sight word as well to the child when you are doing this. Okay, at this particular stage. After completing this stage, then you can go on to the next stage, that is the complex blends. Now these complex blends are nothing but the blends which we use at the beginning of the letter, at the beginning of the word and at the end of the word. At the beginning of the word, for example, flur, blur, slur, stir, etc. And at the end of the word, like ng, that is ng, ng, okay, k, that is ck, k, okay. So all these type of words. There are many other, okay. After completing this, you have to do this very nicely with your child, because this is a very important step. You cannot miss this step, and do it very slowly and steadily. Take your time and invest more time in doing this. You have to complete this very nicely with your child. After doing this, you can go to the next one, that is the long vowel sound, where you have the vowels A, E, I, O, U, making the long vowel sound as an A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so how does it do? That is, in hay, we write it as H-A-Y. So the A-Y which we use at the end makes a long vowel sound of the letter A. Okay, so that is how you have to introduce your child. So once the child is through with this, then we are moving on to this. Then comes the R control vowels, where we have to introduce the child to the letter R with the vowels, that is AR, IR, ER and UR. How to pronounce it and where it is used in the word and how. Okay, we will be discussing about the strategies which are used in order to differentiate between the letter sounds. Okay, then come digraphs, as in wa, sh, ch. These all are digraphs. Okay, these are very tricky ones, because they don't take out the sound of the alphabet which are used. For example, W and H, where W and H makes the sound wa, wa, but somewhere they are using the word partially. Okay, they are using the word partially. Both the letters are making the sound partially. So hence we will do these in digraphs with the child. Then come the syllables. Syllables helps in the child vocabulary part. It also helps the child to decode the words and read properly. And these two are the most important part in phonics. And this is a very important part, as in terms of literature, grammar, reading, creative writing, etc. You need to know the syllables and the digraphs very nicely. So, and sight word I've already told you. These are the tricky words which don't follow any phonics rules. Okay, and hence they have to be memorized by the children using the sight, their sight. Okay, by seeing they have to remember the words. So these are all the basic 9 steps which we need to follow while making a child learn the phonics. Okay, so you can take the screenshot. I'm just trying to make it more clearer so that you can take a screenshot now. Okay, so these are how we will move forward step by step. before introducing the child to phonics. So these all you should be knowing it. Okay, thank you.